Zhipu AI, a prominent player in China's AI landscape, has stirred up quite a conversation with its cautious stance on the timeline for achieving superintelligence. While many in the tech world are racing to predict a future where machines surpass human intelligence, Zhipu AI is taking a more measured approach. They argue that reaching superintelligence by 2030 is overly ambitious and perhaps even unrealistic. One of the core reasons for their skepticism lies in the complexity of human cognition itself. Zhipu AI emphasizes that replicating the nuanced understanding of human emotions, creativity, and ethical reasoning is no small feat. They point out that current AI models, while impressive, still struggle with tasks that require deep contextual understanding or common-sense reasoning. This gap suggests that we are far from creating a truly intelligent system that can think and reason like a human. Moreover, Zhipu AI highlights the limitations of existing technologies. Despite the rapid advancements in machine learning and neural networks, they argue that these systems are fundamentally different from human intelligence. They rely heavily on vast amounts of data and predefined algorithms, which can lead to biases and errors. This raises questions about the reliability and safety of AI systems, especially as we consider their potential impact on society. Another factor contributing to their skepticism is the ethical and regulatory landscape surrounding AI development. Zhipu AI believes that as we push for more advanced AI, we must also navigate the complex moral implications. The potential for misuse, privacy concerns, and the need for accountability are issues that cannot be overlooked. They argue that without a robust framework to address these challenges, the pursuit of superintelligence could lead to more harm than good. Zhipu AI also shares insights about the future of AI, emphasizing a more collaborative approach between humans and machines. Instead of a race to create superintelligent entities, they advocate for developing AI that enhances human capabilities. This perspective shifts the focus from competition to cooperation, suggesting that the most beneficial advancements will come from AI systems that work alongside us, rather than trying to outsmart us. In conclusion, while the allure of superintelligence by 2030 is captivating, Zhipu AI's skepticism serves as a crucial reminder of the complexities involved. Their insights encourage a more thoughtful and responsible approach to AI development, one that prioritizes ethical considerations and human collaboration over mere technological ambition. The AI landscape has exploded in recent years, with investments skyrocketing into the hundreds of billions. Companies are racing to integrate artificial intelligence into their operations, and venture capitalists are pouring money into startups at an unprecedented pace. But this rapid growth raises a critical question. Are we witnessing the birth of a new tech revolution, or are we standing on the precipice of an AI bubble? Experts are sounding the alarm bells, warning that the current market may be significantly overvalued. Just look at the numbers. In 2021 alone, global AI investment reached over $93 billion, a staggering increase from previous years. This surge has led to inflated valuations for many AI companies, some of which are being valued at billions, despite having little to show in terms of revenue or sustainable business models. When we compare this to past tech bubbles, such as the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s, we see some alarming parallels. Back then, investors poured money into internet startups, often without a clear understanding of their business models or profitability. Many of those companies collapsed when the bubble burst, leaving investors with massive losses. Today, we're seeing a similar pattern with AI firms. The hype surrounding AI is reminiscent of the excitement that surrounded the internet, but the question remains: are we overestimating the potential of these technologies? Experts like Andrew Ng and Kai-Fu Lee have expressed concerns about the sustainability of this growth. They argue that while AI has transformative potential, the current market dynamics may not reflect the reality of its adoption and integration into everyday business practices. The fear is that as more companies enter the AI space, the competition will intensify, leading to a shakeout where only the strongest players survive. Moreover, historical comparisons reveal that every tech boom has eventually led to a correction. The housing market crash of 2008 and the dot-com crash are stark reminders of how quickly fortunes can change. If we're not careful, we could see a similar fate for the AI sector. In conclusion, while the potential for AI is undeniably vast, it's crucial to approach this market with caution. The excitement is palpable, but so is the risk. As we navigate this landscape, we must remain vigilant and critically assess the sustainability of the investments we're making in AI. The future of technology is bright, but we need to ensure we're not blinded by the light. Microsoft has recently made headlines with a significant reorganization aimed at sharpening its focus on artificial intelligence. This move is not just a corporate shuffle. It's a strategic pivot that signals the company's commitment to leading the AI revolution. By restructuring its teams and resources, Microsoft is positioning itself to accelerate AI development and integration across its products and services. At the heart of this reorganization is the formation of a dedicated AI division, which will streamline efforts and enhance collaboration among teams. This new structure is designed to foster innovation, allowing engineers and researchers to work more closely together on cutting-edge AI projects. With the rapid advancements in AI technology, this kind of focused approach is crucial for staying ahead of the competition. One of the most exciting aspects of this shift is the potential impact on Microsoft's existing products. We can expect to see more sophisticated AI features integrated into tools like Microsoft 365 and Azure. Imagine enhanced productivity tools that leverage AI to automate mundane tasks, or cloud services that offer advanced machine learning capabilities tailored to specific industries. This reorganization could lead to a new era of smarter, more efficient software solutions. Moreover, Microsoft's renewed focus on AI development could have ripple effects throughout the tech industry. As a major player, Microsoft's innovations often set the standard for others to follow. If they succeed in developing groundbreaking AI technologies, we might see a wave of similar initiatives from competitors, pushing the entire industry forward. This could lead to a more competitive landscape, driving faster advancements and broader applications of AI across various sectors. Additionally, this strategic shift aligns with Microsoft's broader vision of democratizing AI. By making advanced AI tools more accessible, they're not just catering to large enterprises, but also empowering smaller businesses and individual developers. This could foster a more diverse ecosystem of AI applications, encouraging creativity and innovation from unexpected sources. In conclusion, Microsoft's reorganization to sharpen its AI focus is a bold move that could redefine the company's trajectory and influence the tech industry as a whole. As they invest in AI research and development, we're likely to witness transformative changes in how we interact with technology, making our lives easier and more productive. The future of AI at Microsoft looks promising, and it's an exciting time to be part of this technological evolution.
Artificial intelligence is making waves in materials science, but how much of it is genuine progress versus just hype? Let's dive into this fascinating intersection of technology and innovation. First, consider the role of AI in accelerating materials discovery. Traditionally, developing new materials has been a time-consuming process, often taking years or even decades. However, AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets and identify patterns much faster than humans. For instance, researchers at MIT recently used machine learning to discover a new alloy that could potentially revolutionize the aerospace industry. They trained a model on existing materials data, which then predicted the properties of new combinations, leading to a breakthrough in just a few months. But it's not just about speed. AI is also enhancing the precision of material design. Take the example of graphene, a material known for its incredible strength and conductivity. Researchers are using AI to predict how different configurations of graphene can affect its properties, enabling the creation of customized materials for specific applications, from electronics to energy storage. This level of tailored design was nearly impossible before the advent of AI. Now, let's address the skepticism. Critics argue that while AI shows promise, it often lacks the contextual understanding that human researchers bring to the table. For example, AI can suggest new materials, but it may not fully grasp the practical challenges of manufacturing or integrating these materials into existing systems. This gap highlights the importance of collaboration between AI and human expertise. The best results come when AI acts as a powerful tool in the hands of skilled scientists, rather than a replacement for them. Moreover, there's the issue of data quality. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. If the data set is biased or incomplete, the predictions can lead to misleading conclusions. This is particularly critical in materials science, where the nuances of material behavior can be subtle and complex. Experts like Dr. Jennifer Lewis from Harvard emphasize that while AI can streamline the discovery process, it should be viewed as an augmentation of traditional methods rather than a panacea. The real gains come from integrating AI into the broader scientific workflow, allowing researchers to focus on hypothesis generation and experimental validation. In summary, AI is indeed making significant strides in materials science, but it's essential to maintain a balanced perspective. The hype surrounding AI should not overshadow the real, tangible benefits it brings to the field. By leveraging AI's capabilities while respecting the intricacies of materials research, we can unlock new possibilities that were previously unimaginable. The future of materials science is bright, and AI is a key player in that journey.